Velasco, Board Member Mike Villamor, Board Member Red Duterte, Cebu City Mayor Nestor Archibald, Engineer Reckless Dakay of Dakay Construction, and also to the Sinulog Festival Queen here in Municipality of Carmen. Allow me also to thank overall directors, Mr. Emerito Ramos Custodio and Board Member Red Duterte of Custodio Motive Organizing Services and Entertainment Production. Let's give them a big round of applause, please! Energy. Once again, Carmen, are you guys excited? Grabe ang energy. Muna ang energy ang ipagkita sa tuwang mga kandidata, guys. Thank you very much once again. Ang inyong presensya mo ay pinakadako na regalo kanilang tanan. 7 amazing candidates. And of course, itong malaang bata, senior sa ito ninyo nga gihatagan ng maayong panahon, maayong paglawas na uban ng atong timong pamilya. Kung ang ato siyang tagaan sa masipang papak, ladies and gentlemen.
And of course, talking on to present and announce our winners for this year's Sinulog sa Carmen Festival Queen. We have here with us our board member, Red Duterte.
May gabi, pag-usap! Una sa tanan, pasensya kita na medyo na nilantar yun ang napilit sa resulta kay... Hello? Kaya naglibog itahan itong mga judges kung kinsa kayo mga naok, pero they have come up with this result already. Ato usang i-announce ang atong special award. For our first special award is our Miss Loyal. Ang kani Miss Loyal, mawali ang pinaka-loyal o disiplinada ng kandidata based sa atong practices, rehearsals. Ang production team ang nagpili ani niya. Our Miss Loyal! Congratulations, Carmen, number 7, Liza Jonathan of Pundok Panasigo, Iyong Padayon. Congratulations. Our next special award is Miss Photogenic. So, and a picture sa ato official photographer. Maybe you call up our